In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized set of shortcuts that keeps your most used tools right at your fingertips. First, let's open the customization panel. Move your cursor to the very top toolbar area in Acrobat and right-click. In the menu that appears, choose Customize Quick Tools. If you prefer menus, you can also click the hamburger icon in the top right corner of Acrobat and select the Customize option from there. Both paths lead to the same customization window. Inside this window, you'll see categories of tools on the left, like commenting, page management, and more. Click a category to view its tools. When you find a tool you want to pin to the Quick Tools toolbar, select it. Then click the plus, the upward arrow button, or the Add to Toolbar button. You'll see that tool appear in your customized list, which represents the row of icons that will sit at the top of Acrobat for quick access. Think of this as building your personal shortcut bar. If you add something and then decide you don't need it, no problem. Select the tool in your customized list and click the trash can icon or Remove from Toolbar. This doesn't delete the feature from Acrobat, it simply removes the shortcut from your quick tools, keeping your workspace uncluttered. To keep things organized, you can change the order of your tools. Select any item in the customized list and use the up and down arrows to move it left or right on the toolbar. Group related tools together so your workflow feels natural. For even cleaner organization, choose Add Divider to Toolbar. This inserts a small visual separator, perfect for breaking your toolbar into sections, like Review tools on one side and Page tools on the other. When you are happy with the setup, click Save to finalize your settings. Your toolbar updates immediately, and those changes will stick the next time you open Acrobat. You can return to this customization panel anytime to refine your layout as your needs change. A few quick tips before we wrap up. On macOS, a control click works like a right click if you don't have a secondary mouse button. And if you don't see a tool after adding it, check for an overflow chevron on the toolbar. Acrobat may tuck extra icons there when the window is narrow. That's it. Thanks for watching.